Hi everyone, in this quick video we're going to demonstrate how you can turn on panel maintenance on a Panasonic TV running Fire TV operating system. So all you have to do first is go into the menu by pressing the home button and then scroll all the way to the right until you can find the settings menu. Next, scroll down to display and audio and then screen settings. Here, select the desired input. In my case, I'll go with apps and video, but this is also applicable to the others. And then select panel maintenance. Get a bit of a note here, the fact that this is actually to prevent image retention. Completes about 10 minutes. And then this is actually going to be interrupted when the TV is turned on. You can start it now, or start when the TV is next turned off. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.